Hello guys, welcome from my Marine Engineering Technique channel. At part 1, we dismantle both parts of the purifier. In part 3, you can see how to reassemble pack. Assemble the sealing ring into the operating water ring. This is bar plugs of operating slide. Carefully tap in new bar plugs using a clean, soft-face hammer. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease and fit rectangular ring on both body. Point-wise, apply a small amount of silicone grease in the groove on both body and mount the guide ring into the groove on both body. After that, fit operating slide. The guide pin in the bow body should enter the hole in the operating slide. After that, fit the holder on operating slide. Apply a thin layer of molecular grease and then fit and tighten new screws and washers. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease and fit the O-ring. Fit the operating water ring with the screws onto the bow body. The drill assembly mark on the water ring should face the corresponding mark on the bow body. Fit the lifting tool and lift the bow body. Carefully lower bow body onto the spindle taper. After that, remove the lifting tool. To prevent the bow body from rotating, when fitting the cabinet, fit one of the clamps to the bow body and one of the screws for the fray hood in the fray. Fasten the sling between the clamp and the screw around the bow body. Apply a thin layer of molecular grease. After that, fit and tighten the cabinet. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease and fit the O-ring. Fit the lifting tool and lower the discharge slide into the bowl. After that, remove the lifting tool. Fit the nut. Fit the spanner on nut and tighten the nut with a torque wrench. As you know, the discs 1B have a larger diameter. However, the discs 1A have a smaller diameter. This steps always end with the disc without cork 1C. Fit the discs one by one onto the distributor. You can subscribe my channel to watch more marine engineering contents on channel. Fit the lifting tool into distributor. Lower the disc stack into the bowl and remove the lifting tool. The guide pins on the bowl body should face the drill mark on the distributor. This is the inlet and outlet pipe. Fit the inlet and outlet pipe. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease and fit O-ring on top disc. Lower the dot disc onto the disc stack. Make sure that the drill mark corresponds to the guide leg inside the bowl body. Fit the O-rings and gravity disc to the top disc. Fit the C-ring and press the ring down evenly into the groove all around. Fit the compression tool and lower the bow hood. Every set fits into the guide pin in the bow body. And then remove the compression tool. This is guide pin of locking ring. Place the lock ring onto the bow hood with its guide pin close to the corresponding hole in the bow body. Mount compression tool with the screws. Tighten alternately the screws with washers on the compression tool until the lock ring enters the groove. After that, remove screws or compression tool. And then remove compression tool from bow hood. Measure gap or low ring and make sure it does not exceed 4.5 mm. And then lower the frame hood. Make sure that the frame hood is mounted in its correct position according to the pipe arrangement. Fit the housing over the inlet and outlet pipe. Fit nut with the pipe band over pipe housing. And then fit the safety device with the screw. Try and tighten pipe connections with housing. Please don't forget like and subscribe my channel for more contents. Goodbye for now and hope to see you soon.